Hello kids! Today we are going to learn some fun Christmas vocabulary words. Christmas is a happy time full of lights, gifts, songs, and smiles. In this video, you will learn 20 easy Christmas words with simple sentences. These words will help you improve your English in a fun and easy way. So get ready, enjoy learning, and celebrate Christmas with us. Let's start our joyful learning. Christmas. Christmas. Christmas is a joyful festival celebrated with family. Santa. Santa. Santa brings gifts for children. Tree. Tree. A Christmas tree looks beautiful with lights. Gift. Gift. Children open their gifts happily. Lights. Lights. Colorful lights shine everywhere. Snow. Snow. Soft snow falls in winter. Bell. Bell. The Christmas bell rings sweetly. Star. Star. A bright star shines on the tree. Party. Party. Families enjoy a Christmas party. Song. Song. Kids sing Christmas songs. Cake. Cake. Everyone shares Christmas cake. Candy. Candy. Children love sweet candy. Hat. Hat. Santa wears a red hat. Card. Card. People send Christmas cards. Holiday. Holiday. Christmas is a happy holiday. Toy. Toy. Children play with new toys. Reindeer. Reindeer. Reindeer pull Santa's sleigh. 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 Santa rides a sleigh. Joy. Joy. Christmas brings happiness and joy. Family. Family. Families spend time together on Christmas.